We want to show you how to join a Google Meet if you've been invited to one by your teacher. You will get a link to the Google Meet from your teacher. It might be posted in your Google Classroom in the banner. Your teacher might have posted it in the stream as an announcement, or maybe even classwork. Or maybe they give you the link in an email. When it's time for you to join the Google Meet, you'll click on that link. If you click on that link before it's time, you're going to get a message like this. This just means that your teacher's not at the Google Meet yet, and you'll need to wait until the appropriate time. When it's time, click that link, and this means the Google Meet is ready, your teacher's there and waiting for you. Keep your camera on, but please mute your microphone by clicking this icon, because when you enter the room, you want to make sure that your microphone is nice and quiet. Then click Join Now. You'll see your teacher here, and if you need to tell your teacher something, you can use the chat feature to type in a message. Keep your microphone on mute until your teacher calls on you. Keep your camera on, and when you do speak, make sure you're looking at the camera. When it's time to say goodbye, hang up using this button and close out your tab. Now let's take a look at the rules for a good Google Meet. We talked about muting your microphone before you join. If you had headphones or earbuds, you may want to use them. And you can click on the closed caption button if you're having trouble hearing the speaker. We talked about keeping your camera on, but make sure you have good lighting so we can see you. Use the chat box to let your teacher know if you have a question, and wait to be called on before you unmute your mic. Be sure to always be polite and respectful, pay attention to the speaker, and look into the camera when it's your turn to talk.